The Big Island of Hawaii is home of an active volcano. Kilauea is one of the most active volcanoes of the world and is visited by millions of tourists each year, making it the most visited attraction in Hawaii and the most visited volcano in the world. As you drive the half a mile from Kilauea Overlook, the forest becomes increasingly lush. Soon you arrive at Thurston's Lava Tube. A 20-minute walk through a tree fern forest, a lighted prehistoric cave-like lava tube awaits you. This is an excellent place to stop and listen to the birds.